industry so that you guys can either do nails at home or in the salon. On press-on tips. So press-on tips became huge due to COVID. Our salon, Kid and Claws Parlour, started making them because it was a no contact basically. You could have any design you wanted and you could send them in the post and it was safe. So not just that, they are really, really great for people like doctors, lawyers, nurses, anyone who leads a busy lifestyle and doesn't have time to sit down for an hour or 2 hours in a salon to get some nail art done. Also for people in the medical industry who might just need some nails for a night and they want to come home and take them off and go to work the next day. So I'm going to show you a couple of different variations as to how you can wear your press-on tips. One is going to be with glue and one is going to be with double-sided nail tabs. Okay, so here is the reveal. I'm sure most of you have all seen what press-on tips look like, but here they are up and close. It's good to have packs of 24, purely because you can just ship it out. You don't have to worry about measuring nails, and more than likely it's pretty much going to fit all sizes. Now the packs do usually come with a cuticle pusher and some files and some little adhesive tabs where you can press on. But today I'm just going to show you exactly how I like to apply press-on tips. So I've started some on myself. So here we go. I've tried in a few sizes and this is the result. So I've kind of done most of them except for these little two here. So from your pack, you need to come up, get your cuticle pusher, push back the cuticles. Here's a little 101 in nails. Glues, enhancements, gel, acrylic, whatever you might call it, does not like sticking on the natural nail. So you then come in with the file, a natural nail file only, and come in and just give it a quick little buff. The packs also can come with what like a little soft buffer. And what you want to do is purely just remove the shine. So coming around, getting all this cuticle in here, because that there, the glue is not going to like sticking to either. So coming in. Now remember, this living tissue here, guys, that's not what we want to do. We don't want to pick and cut away at this. It's just the residue on the nail plate, okay? So just come in, get rid of all the shine, give your nail a quick little file. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're putting some acrylic, some press-on tips over. Once again, come over here, remove the shine. If you've got a buffer, even better. Covers the surface quite easy. Okay, then you want to come in with your little alcohol pre-wipe pads. So these come in our press-on tip packs. It should come in most packs. If you don't, just use some acetone or some IPA cleanser. Now you want to use pure acetone or IPA wipes, simply because a lot of the nail polish removers have like colorings and residue and everything like that, which is not good. I'm going to show you some sizing techniques of not what to do with your tips. So I'm going to start with my pinky. I'm going to come in. So something like this is going to be way too small. You can see there. See how my nails exposed on the side walls? Just in there. You don't want that. If I have to force the tip down, it's going to hurt. It's going to want to pop off and it's also going to hurt. So guys, we need to make sure that the tip is coming from the side wall to side wall. Now please excuse, I've been painting with red gel polish earlier, so I've got them stained all over my nails. Hashtag NailTechLife. So you're going to go another size up. Going to go another one here. Going to come in. And I am really happy with that fit. It's covering all of my cuticle area. And as you can see as I turn around, covering all of my nail on both sides. And I'm not having to force it down, otherwise it's going to want to pop off. You're not going to have longevity and it's going to really, really hurt. I've tried it before, guys. It does not. I had to literally cut it off straight away. It gets so sore. So after that, you can use two things. You can use the adhesive, you can use some glue, which I prefer the gel adhesive. I'm going to show you why. I've just applied some in the tip, guys, and I'm not sure if you can see. You want to fill that well with the glue. I've got a fair amount in there. Because everyone's got different nail beds. Some people have a really flat nail bed. Some people have a very arched nail bed. I'm going to come in to the cuticle area, press down, and slowly push and hold. I'm going to hold for 60 seconds. Now look, if you have glue coming out at the ends underneath, which I'm going to show you in a minute, we're going to pretend that I've held for 60 seconds. If some glue comes around the cuticle here, guys, don't worry, just get your stick while it's still wet and just tidy it up. But underneath, as you can see, I've got some excess under there. You can see how much excess I've got under there. I'm not mad about that. I don't actually care because that is sealing my nail underneath, just in case I did have a bit more of a flat nail and the tip was arched from water or anything getting under there, and also giving it a bit more security. So look guys, if you don't mind a bit of glue under there, leave it there. If it annoys you while it's still wet, get your cuticle stick and just clean it up. Okay, so the second way of doing it are the little self adhesive tabs. So I'll grab those out for you now. And these are a really great option for people like, as I said, nurses, doctors, people in the medical industry who just literally want to come home and take them off. Because the only way you're really going to get the press-on tips that you glue on, because they can last, they obviously go 2 weeks plus with a really high quality resin. The only way you're going to get them off is by soaking them off with acetone, as you would like your gel polish nails. So let's have a little bit of a resize here. Roughly about, I'm going to go about there. I feel like that's a really good size for my nail. So I'm going to come in. Now usually you would just come in, you could cut it off so you're saving your other adhesive strips. But I'm going to apply another set straight after, so I'm happy to keep this open. I'm going to come in. I'm kind of teaching you how to do this yourself at home, guys, because you may not have someone to help you. So if someone helps you, even better. But just come in. This side here is nice and shiny. Press it down. And then lift off this side, which will expose the sticky side there. And then you just come in, and you would have pre-sized your tips already to whatever is going to suit your nail bed. So as I said, we've found the perfect tip. I'm going to come in and once again press down. And as you can see, it's created a double-sided tape. And I've just pushed down, and that is on so nice and snug. I mean, I'm actually, you can see here, I'm pushing down with a fair bit of force, right? And that is feeling just like I've got glue. Like it's, you know, I'm trying to even lift it, and that is not going anywhere. So the double-sided tape is a really amazing option for anyone who just wants to do one night. But there you go, guys. Here we are, press-on tips 101, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Guys, I hope you all know how to do your first set of press-on tips. Super easy, super quick. Any questions at all, please comment in the box below. And also, just if you want to know anything else, any questions, yeah, we're all ears on our future videos. So there you go.